Hi everyone, thank you for joining me today at Cherokee Lockpicking. Today I have a challenge lock and it is from CHRIS Capune and it was pinned on September 1st, 2018 and it's number 2. Here is the key. And you can see it's a pretty good one. It's a 5-pin key, but I believe there's 6 pins in here. So let's see if we can get this open tonight. We'll click on 6, I believe, and we'll click on 5. Lots of crunching going on in here. We'll click on, I believe that's 3. Ooh, got a little click on 2. It'll turn on the core. Go to the back. Little click on 5. And little nudge on 1. Starting to get lockjaw. Nothing's talking to me. I'm going to use a steeper hook here. Peterson 25 thousandths. Just see if I can find something. Pretty radical bitting on that key, so I'm going to use a little deeper hook and see if I can find it. There'll be something in here that's holding it up. And this vise keeps getting cockeyed on me. And there's got to be something. I'm just kind of bouncing from a little bit of a clip there on 1. Ah, there you are, CHRIS Capune. Now I get to see what you put in there. Alright. Now, I like this little holder that Foxy made for me, but I think I've got a crack running through it. It'll still work. I have to glue it together. I probably could put some glue in there and put it in the vise. It'll work out. Okay, we got the key. It works. So I am going to close it up. Put that key in there. Guess I better get the clip off the back. I'm going to put my glasses on. See what I'm doing. Okay, that's much better. Let's put that in the hole there, and then it'll come off easier, I hope. It's not going to stay in the hole. Okay. Tell you what I gotta do. I'm gonna put a little screwdriver right there. Oops, wrong end. See if I can hold that down. There. And push it off. There we go. Got it. Cool. Now everything's sticking to my magnet. Okay, let's open this guy up and see what Chris has put in here. Hope I can get the shim in. You can't have the worst luck with the shims. These crazy locks. Oh no. Got the first one. We're getting it, yay. Alright, pretty cool. And I hope that fits. Oh my god, it's tight. Ooh, got a problem. I'm gonna have to back out, get a different one. Shoot. How am I doing, guys? Oh, see if I can get it back. There we go. Gotta find another follower. These ones I don't like. Lost my favorite one. Was on a job, and make sure that's the right one. And it was I was working near a drain, and my follower fell off my little table and went down in a manhole. I was so bugged. All right. I'm gonna take that shim out of that. That right there. Hopefully I'm in frame. Okay. Well, let's see what's going on here. Ooh. Looks like there is 6 pins, and it looks like number 1 and number 5 are flush. Well, let's get them out of here and see what we have. Come on now. Ooh-wee. Look at that fancy guy. Yepper. Those are some pretty good ones. Let's see what we have in here. number 2, 3, 5, and 6 are threaded. Yep, 2, 3, 5, and 6. Okay. And let's see what we got going on up here. Very weak spring, I guess. Alright. There's a little spool there. Keep doing that, causing the shove down in there. I get my little handy dandy out. My handy dandy is nothing but a paper clip, in case you guys want to know. There we go. Boy, that's a little guy. Yeah, that's a little spring. Okay, let's get back in here and okay, ooh, got a couple of guys in here. There's a T-pin in there. Okay, that's pretty neat. And them springs are, of course you got all that in there, so. And this is a 2-piece, like that. And let's see here, I can get that spring out. There it is. This one's a little fatter spring, but that didn't go anywhere. Okay. That spring wants to come out. I'm gonna grab him. Where'd he go? There he is. Okay, let's turn him around. Ooh-wee, look at this one. It's nice. Oops, I put that one in the wrong deal, didn't I? It's supposed to go there. And I can see we got some threading in here too. Okay, last one. Whoa, flying in the wrong one. There. Okay. Grab him. Okay, let's see what we got in here. There's threading and 1 and 2 and oops, I'm looking at it the wrong way. 1, 3 and 5 and 6 have threading in it. Okay, let's turn this around, get a better look at it. Sure, some good looking pins. Springs are, well, we'll talk about them in a minute, I guess. I always put this upside down, don't I? Okay. So the key pins, this would be number 1 over here, so it'd be backwards, is a great big long key pin, and it's standard. And number 2 has kind of a smaller end on it. I'll explain that, but it's more like a spool sort of, but a smaller end on it. And number 3 is a standard. Number 4 is a standard. Number 5 has 3 real deep serrations in it, almost like a spool, but deep serrations. And then this one here is a pin and pin, 2-piece. Whoops, get that apart so you can see that. Pin and pin, and has a very deep serration on the bottom part. And then the drivers, number 1 is a very small spool. It almost looks like goes to an American in a way. And then this one here is a pin and pin, right here, 2-piece pin and pin. And then this driver has 2 deep serrations in it, and this one is real deep serrations. This one looks like a barrel pin, and this one has a couple real deep serrations. So I'm going to zoom in, hopefully. And oh, I'm sorry, guys. I can get this to focus right. Okay, I better quit there. So anyways, this lock was from CHRIS Capune, and he did a spectacular job on pinning this. And I also thank BEARSBACK for sending it to me. And if you haven't checked out their channels, I suggest you do, because they're both great guys and know their stuff. And I hope you subscribe if you haven't already to my channel, and give me a thumbs up, and have a beautiful evening. Bye-bye.